My video is about removing browser surveys that come from the website Financesurvey.site. It's a misleading site that attacks Google Chrome and possibly other browsers too. The website tries to mislead people with a lot of faulty messages, mentioning that it is important to participate in some survey, supposedly to win some prize. But in reality, interacting with these fake surveys is extremely dangerous. Because of that, you may be also forced to be subscribed to the multiple ads that will be displayed as permanent web push notifications. If you have clicked on this allow button, you will start receiving these ads permanently on your screen. To remove them, to get rid of these ads, you should do the following. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Now pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find this Financesurvey.site, make sure you remove this site from the list and other junk sites causing such troubles on your screen. To make sure that the system is free of other threats, we strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, download the software, install it, and then start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.